PGTech continuously evolves by prioritizing safety over everything. Ensure safety against water hammer with water hammer mitigation devices and new check valves. PGTech Corporation. Generally, pump operation starts by opening the motor-operated valve, automatic valve, when the tank's water level is low, and then sending a signal to the pump when the valve is sufficiently opened. When the water sent by the pump fills up the tank to make the water level high, a signal is sent to close the motor-operated valve, and then stop the pump. The purpose of doing this is to minimize the change of flow velocity. Following the procedure above, the pump can be stopped without the pipes being hit by a water hammer. When a stably operated pump suddenly stops due to a blackout or other factor, the pump's water supply stops and turns part of the pipes into a vacuum state. The transferred water moves until its energy lasts, and then stops and moves backward. The pipe water moving backward damages the vacuum area with the water column phenomenon, and the check valve on the back of the pipe's exit generates a water hammer with a wham noise. Finally, the pipes are stabilized. As shown, a water hammer caused great noise and vibration, threatening the pipe system's safety. Likewise, when a stably operated pump suddenly stops due to blackout or other factor, the pump's water supply stops. Then water stored in the air chamber is pushed by compressed air to prevent pipes from turning into vacuum state. Basically, this method minimizes the energy of the water column, which flows back by preventing the water column from being divided. The pipe water that flows back collides with the compressed air inside the air chamber to repeat flows to normal and operating directions until all energy runs out and the system is stabilized. Even in this case, when the pipe system's pump suddenly stops due to blackout or other factors and the water stored in the air chamber flows into the pipes, the check valve, type in which one cylinder is attached, in spite of being a fully closed type, might not withstand pipe water from the air chamber and close rapidly to generate noise and vibration. Afterwards, the pipe water collides with the compressed air inside the air chamber to repeat flows to normal and operating directions until all energy runs out and the system is stabilized. In such a pipe system, an air chamber and check valve where double control is available shall be assembled and installed to perfectly mitigate water hammer. When the pump suddenly stops due to blackout or other factors, and the water stored in the air chamber flows into the pipes, the one-step cylinder of the check valve, type in which two cylinders are attached, operates to close the check valve disc by about 80%. The remaining 20% is slowly and stably closed by the check valve's two-step cylinder, while the disc withstands the pipe water. Through technological innovation and nurturing of creative talent, PGTech will protect people and property from water hammer, as well as build a happy world where all people of the world can live together. PGTech Corporation.